This is the conservatory. This room is probably our most favorite room in the whole house. I always start with the bottom. This is just a shrub. This is growing up in the woodland. And I use a lot of shrubbery for the structure. And I often use some of my bigger things around the base. So I'm gonna take these sunflowers and I'm gonna start this kind of around the bottom. You wanna keep turning your vase around so it's a bit more balanced. Then I'm gonna go to a flower that's not as heavy, so it's gonna be cut longer. And I start to build it. And again, these are the green zinnias that we've seen in the garden everywhere. I'm gonna take this hydrangea and I'm gonna cut it lower and put it in here. Probably one of my most favorite things is the most native thing in the world, which is Queen Anne's lace.
Of course.
It grows along the side of the road. And if you don't have a garden, you can go pick Queen Anne's lace everywhere.
Absolutely.
And I think this is just one of the most beautiful plants and flowers. I don't know, it just makes me happy. You get this.
Love the layers.
And the freedom and the airiness, and you just can keep putting Queen Anne's lace in for hours. You're gonna be a flower arranger after this. If I have to exercise, you have to do flowers.
Isn't that fabulous? Look
And
at
just keep turning this around.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Get up there with
This
the Queen
is
Anne's
so
lace.
beautiful.
So here is the flower arrangement, and I thank you for your help.
Oh my goodness.
Bravo.
It's
Our
brilliant.
pleasure.